Hello, welcome to our channel. This is Hayden from TestPro China. We will update videos about how to use TestPro Optical Probe and our other high-level products every Thursday. Today, I am going to introduce you TP USB Optical Probe. Our USB probe can be compatible with almost all communication protocol and standard. The probe can function perfectly as long as you connect it to a device that supports USB interface. Today, to demonstrate, we will be using a computer as an example. First, you need to confirm the communication protocol of the electric meter you are going to read. This one we are looking at is IEC. After that, place the probe onto the meter with a magnet. Open the software and connect it to the probe. Then you can have the meter data on your device. And for our cable series, except for USB interface probe, we also supply Type-C, TTL, 232, and any other interface that customer orders. That is all for this episode. If you have any problem about using or want to know more about our products, you are welcome to contact us by the email address in the comment or go to our website. Have a good day.
World leader in smart metering data collection and calibration.